When threatened, the hairy frog acts like Wolverine from X-Men. It's able to break the bones of its toes and protrude them out of its skin to act as claws. What the FAK? The facts and knowledge on animal defenses. The pangolin looks like an anteater covered in scales and is found across Asia and sub-Saharan Africa. When in danger, it curls into a small ball, protecting the defenseless underbelly, using the scales to create an impenetrable shield around it that looks similar to an artichoke or pine cone. The scales are sharp around the edge, creating an added line of defense when attacked. They're also one of the most endangered groups of mammals in the world and are considered a delicacy in certain parts of the world. Stop eating them, they're awesome! The pistol shrimp has the ultimate handgun. One of its claws is about half the size of its entire body, and that claw packs a powerful weapon. When in danger or hunting prey, the pistol shrimp is able to snap its claws shut so quickly it ejects a jet of water that travels 60 miles per hour, and the sound of the snap is 218 decibels. A bubble is formed behind the stream of water called a cavitation bubble, which implodes and creates a flash of light and temperatures close to the temperature of the surface of the sun. This jet of water and bubbles stun predators and fish and easily kills them at close range, which allows them to then carry their prey into a burrow to feed upon. The pistol shrimp's snapping has even been known to interfere with the sonar of submarines. The bombardier beetle basically shoots napalm at predators. They live at soil level, making them a constant target for ants to prey on, and the time it takes to unfurl their wings from under the wing covers is slower than most insects and can cost them their lives. So they've developed a defense mechanism to buy enough time for them to fly away. They produce diverse toxins, including acids and aldolines, in sacs next to their abdomens, and they aim and shoot the liquids in the form of a spray. The spray is ejected at 100 degrees Celsius. This is caused by the explosion generated at the moment of ejection by the mixing of the chemicals. Hagfish have the ability to create massive amounts of slime in order to suffocate their predators. It turns the water around their enemies into a gelatinous goo that clogs their gills and chokes them. They also have the ability to tie themselves into a knot and slide in and out of it. This helps when escaping predators and also cleans themselves of their own slime. The mimic octopus was discovered in 1998 in Indonesia and has the ability to mimic other sea life in order to defend itself from predators. Scientists have seen it imitate the soulfish, a flat poisonous fish, the lionfish that hovers above the seafloor and has poisonous fins, and the sea snake, which is very toxic. They've also seen the octopus change into various other shapes, but are not exactly sure what they're emulating. The octopi are able to figure out what creature to change into depending on the type of predator and its surroundings. The boxer crab has a symbiotic relationship with their boxing glove hands made of sea anemones. They attach the anemones to the ends of their claws and use them as defense against predators because of their stinging power. The crabs also often wipe the anemones along the seabed to collect food particles, which it then removes with its mouth. In return, the anemones get to feast on the particles of food the crab leaves behind while feeding. The goblin shark is one of the most unusual looking creatures in the sea. Very little is known about this particular species of shark, but it lives in the very deep waters around 4,000 feet deep, and in many different seas around the world. They were first discovered in the waters around Japan, and the goblin shark hunts by sensing the presence of prey by electrosensitive organs in the snout. Once it locates the prey, the shark is able to protrude its lower jaw and uses its tongue-like muscles to suck the prey into its sharp front teeth. I'm gonna leave you with this creature. What is it and how does it escape its predators? Before we go, here's last video's winner. Be sure to subscribe for more Vsauce 2, and as always, thanks for watching.